If you're currently holding DJT, then ladies and gentlemen, you may want to listen to what I have to say here in today's video. As you all know, yesterday they did announce the interest in buying out BKKT. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do want you all to be aware of this tactic. Now, I'm not saying DJT is taking this route, but we have seen plenty of companies in the past release premature news, and that premature news is basically their interest. Majority of the time, ladies and gentlemen, when companies are very serious about working a deal or a buyout, they do not announce it until after the deal is done. With DJT actually announcing their interest in BKKT, I want you all to be look out for the bait and switch. Anytime that a company tends to use this technique, they're basically inflating their prices. I'm not saying DJT is, but we have seen in the past companies announce their interest in buying out another company just 4 weeks later to come out and them to announce that the deal isn't being done. With that being said, I just want you guys to look out for that happening. But with today's price action, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that DJT may continue to see a downtrend overall here. Yesterday, we did see a 16% gain in price thanks to that news. But like I told you guys before, this is the type of company that is going to buy the rumor, sell the news. And that's exactly what happened here yesterday. I do expect for DJT to drop below those $30 levels here before the day is over with. I do feel as though that we're going to revisit those $28 levels here in DJT before the week is over with. Like I told you guys before, DJT is one of those stocks that is going to see a major retracement in price after the election, and that's exactly what we are getting here. I do feel as though that DJT is in the prime position for short selling. If we take a brief look and just check out the our capital trend here really quickly, as you guys can see here, net outflow and favorment so far. But if we look at the overall trend here, as you guys can see here, we have been seeing consecutive net outflow and favorment here these last couple of days of trading, which is pointing to stacked short positions, but the volume isn't there to cause a major short cover wave. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do not suggest to buy DJT at these prices. In fact, I will only consider trading DJT during a short cover situation, and we do not see any signs or symbols that a short cover is building here in DJT. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a brief look and check out ACHR. Now, as you all know, if you have been keeping the channel, this is a stock that we have been talking about, and like I said before, this thing is primed to run. I do feel as though that ACHR is headed towards those $6 levels here before the month is over with in November. If we just take a brief look and just check out the capital trend, as you guys can see here, nice block inflow and favorment here these last 2 days of trading. The volume is slowly starting to pick up here in ACHR, and I do feel as though that we're going to see one of those major volume days here today, coming off of yesterday's volume of 19 million, the day before that 16, the day before that 16.1. Today so far we got 15.42 million, and it is looking as though that we may close above 25 million in total trading volume. Be looking for ACHR to see a massive short cover wave here before the week is over with, because we are seeing stacked short positions here for sure, and I do feel as though that short cover wave is going to take us towards those $6 levels. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button to make sure you have all post notifications set to all, so you will be alerted each and every time I create one of these videos, and may the gains be with you.